Linus is beating the crap out of the dishwasher. He thinks his toys are in there. There are no toys in there. There are no toys. Look, sweetie. I promise. Look. There's no toys, see? There's no toys. Sniff all you want. Look, it's just dirty dishes and bowls. Mommy took the toys out. There's no toys. Are you going to come around this side? Look, go ahead. Come around this side. Lucy's flipping out. She's like, what's going on? Go ahead, sniff. Sniff. Go ahead. No toys, see? Do you want to come around this side? Come around this side. Look, sniff. Go ahead. What is sniff? There's nothing here, sweetness, I swear. I took all the toys out. You want to beat the crap out of the door again? Sometimes it's good to get anger out.